I made this tramming tool for obviously for tramming the mini mill. You'll find several videos on YouTube that explain how this works, and construction details are on my website. And I was hoping to use this on the lathe for making very small angles on the compound slide. So we know the angle we need is 1.4307. I'm going to use the machinery calculator to and using a triangle tool, put in the angle. And we know length C, which is the distance between the two DTIs, is 75 millimeters. That gives me the length A, which I don't need, and length B, which is the difference in DTIs that I need to give me that angle, and that's 1.8726. Well, I can only work down to 1/100 of a millimeter, so we round that down to 1.87, and that's the length we're looking for on the DTIs. So here's the lathe setup then. I've got a parallel mounted in the tool holder and the tramming tool mounted in the chuck. The two DTIs are zeroed. There we are. I think you can probably see that zeroed. So now what I need to do is to adjust the compound to give me a reading of 0 on one DTI and 1.87 reading on the other. So I'll loosen the compound slide off. I have locked off the lead screw so I can use the fine feed to adjust as necessary. So I've adjusted the compound slide, and using that in combination with the fine feed on the lead screw to give me 1.87 that you can see on the right hand side and 0 on the left DTI. Okay, so I've replaced the tramming tool with a MT2 taper and mounted a DTI on. I'm going to just run it along. All the way to the end, and I don't know if you can see that, that's about 2/100ths of a millimeter out over the overall length, which I think is pretty good.